Good morning, everyone. In today's session, we are going to see how to rectify error which came while emailing the bill. Before that, we will see in how many ways we can send email. The first one is print bill. Go to print bill, then click on bill. Here you have to enter the month of which you want to send the bill. Like I'm going to select the July month. Then here in email report, you have to click on yes. Then select the receipt period accordingly. Then click on OK. In this way, you can send email. The second way is using form level. Go to flat shop detail. If you want to send the bill of this July month to all the member, by using this form level, you can send the bill. Now click on print. Do you want system input receipt period? Click on yes. Here you can see here is option of email. Click on this email option. If you want to send only a particular bill, this bill, then click on this bill. If you want to send all the bills of that particular period of cycle, then click on this cycle. When we click on this option, this cycle, then जो भी bills जुलाई month में generate हुए थे, those all bills will send on email. These are the two ways in which we can send bill on mail. Now we'll see. While emailing the bill, if you get an error or bill not get sent, this issue is coming. In this scenario, like you go to print bill, then bill, you fill all the information, click on OK. Here in email setting, you click yes and click on OK. Even though mail not goes or if there any error message come in this scenario, you have to do one thing. Go to your email for this tree utility to user email setting. Go to this email ID which you have set. Now click on this 9 dot. Go to accounts. Now go to security and sign in. You have to verify that here two-step verification is on or not. If this two-step verification is not on, you have to on it. The next step is you here in search Google account, enter app password. Click on app password. Enter the password of your Google account. Click on next. Now here you have to create one new app password. For this, enter eLogix. Click on create. Copy this password. Now go to your this email setting which is in tree to user email setting. Go to this setting and you have to make sure that as you are sending a regular bill, then this regular bill setting must be added in this email setting. Like here you can see category is bill. For sending supplementary bill, category must be added for the supplementary bill. If you want to send the general PDF or any other document using this software, then you have to make sure in category general setting must be created. As we are sending regular bill, the app password which we have created, edit it and paste here in sender user password. Click on save. Okay. This will ask, do you want to set this password for all the societies which using this email ID, click on yes. Now we'll send the mail. Go to print bill, select the month, click on email report yes, select the period. Now click on, if you want to send the mail to all the members, then click on OK. If you want to select the particular member, then here you can use this filter. Now I'm going to send this mail to all the members. Now click on OK. Here you can see mails are sending to members one by one. While doing this process, if you get error, in this case, the previous method as I shown, that we have to create app password. This method you have to follow to send mail properly. Now we will go to send mail. Here you can see in 10:51, as I enter 4 members email ID. So here you can see mail get sent. So while sending the mail, if you get error, you have to set the password. The other thing you have to check is if for particular member bill is not sending on a mail, you have to check in address email ID of that member. If there is any space character or any wrong email ID is enter in this email ID text or not, you have to verify that. In this way, you can rectify the error while sending the mail. This is all about today's session. Thank you everyone for joining this session.